Hello guys, I am Naveen. Hope your guys are good. Today we can talk about life skills which will make our life better. Learn one technical skills. Maybe anything like programming. What programming language? Second one, improve communication skills. Third one, yeah, marketing skills. These things will only uh, mo- affects most of our professional life. Tech skill will give you more of make you to sustain your current work. Communication skill will improve. It will give you exposure to the other people's how they are working. You can gain your connections. You can improve your people's network. Marketing will able to create your own domain, your brand. It's one of the important skill. So guys, try to improve the your in these three things, and your life will excel. Thank you. Um, if you guys have any doubt, comment me down. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.